Let me explain to you how Flowtify works. On the left, you see an overview of all checklists that are pending. The colored numbers next to the title of a checklist indicate the status of each and every task. Below the checklist title, you see how many time is remaining until this checklist will be closed. Once a checklist is closed, it is locked and cannot be changed anymore on the device. Only the management can do changes to a checklist in the web dashboard. By tapping on all areas, you can divide your location in smaller units, like kitchen, service counter, incoming goods. This will filter all the lists you see on the left. When you select kitchen, you will only see relevant checklists for a kitchen. The next image shows you an open checklist. By the way, everything you see on these images is only text. A detailed, tailor-made HACCP documentation can be arranged by our distribution partners, for example TÜV Süd. The third screen shows you a checklist with 4 undone tasks and a positive finished one. And with the last image, you see how easy it is typing your name and giving a signature. So basically, you have seen all the features an employee needs to know to work with Flowtify. Let me give you some more impressions of the app. With our language selector, you can change the interface language anytime. If you use the eBro Bluetooth thermometer, you can transfer your measurement right into the app. In case you should have no PC on location, you can always draw reports on a smartphone or tablet. There are different types of reports. For example, the detailed report showing pictures and signatures, or the checklist report just telling you if things have been done or not. In Flowtify, there are different instant email notifications available. For example, for critical result values, for tasks that have not been finished, or for checklists that will expire soon. Or you will get a reminder on your smartwatch. Now that you have seen how easy the Flowtify HACCP app works, let me give you some impressions of the web dashboard. On the left side, you see a map overview of your different locations, and by mouse over, you get additional information. The view on the right-hand side gives you a perfect view of the current state of your documentation in all of your stores. This is a view for a typical store manager. However, depending on the permissions he has been given, he will only see those tiles that are important for his daily work. Typical store managers only need the issue section, the calendar, reports, and maybe checklists. Everything else will not be available for him. Working with issues is the daily work of a store manager. Whenever something pops up here, he has to take care of it. Taking care of expired, failed, or deviations is very easy. All he needs to do is tap on the task and leave a message why something has been solved. And this message will be shown in all reports in the future. Talking about reports, there is, for example, also a store comparison report. Let me give you a quick overview of our IoT section in Flowtify. Once you decide for IoT in Flowtify, all you need to do is select your integration, register, for example, your data loggers, and set up individual alarms, temperatures, and so on. If you want to start your first Flowtify Live project, please contact us or one of our global distribution partners like TÜV Süd.